Hi friends, it's Strifor, and we continue to tell fascinating stories about the world's biggest companies and their stocks. In today's installment, you'll be looking at one of the greatest tech companies, whose products almost everyone devotes a few hours every day to. Even now, you're watching this video on YouTube, which is also part of the Google empire. And in order not to miss other interesting videos about trading on this platform, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. While preparing the video, we noticed many interesting patterns and paradoxes. One of them is that the first name of the company was given in honor of the huge number Googol, which contains 100 zeros, and the last and actual today name, Alphabet, reflects a set of letters. Such numerical and letter sets in the name for a reason. They reflect the concept of huge amount of information and symbolize the company's ambitious mission to organize and provide access to huge amount of data. With this idea in mind, two Stanford University graduate students, Sergey Brin and Larry Page, began working on a system for ranking pages on the internet. In 1998, they founded Googol in a friend's garage in Menlo Park, California. Let's go back to the history of the name and recall that it was originally meant as Google. The change to the famous consonant name happened by a ridiculous accident when the students were looking for the first investment in their startup. This is where the third person enters the scene, without whom Google's success might not have happened. Their math teacher, David Cheriton, with a degree in computer science, already had a track record of successful startups, including Granite Systems, which was sold to Cisco for $220 million. He was something of a business angel, directly investing in innovative companies. The meeting with Brin and Page was pivotal for both the students and the instructor himself. It only took Cheriton a few minutes to see the potential in the search engine. He gave some advice and wrote checks for $100,000, becoming the company's first investor. However, there was a mistake. The check was written to Googol Incorporated, a company that didn't actually exist. Brin and Page had to incorporate the company under a new name, which is how the name Googol came to be. This $100,000 helped attract other investors, and eventually the young entrepreneurs raised more than $1 million. And Cheriton did not just invest in Googol, but became the richest man, his fortune exceeding $1 billion. He managed not only to create wealth, but also to remain humble and appreciate scientific research. Today, his name is associated with the largest school of computer science in Canada, at which he donated more than $25 million. Having received the support of investors, Googol began to grow rapidly. In 1999, the company moved to an office in Palo Alto, and a year later launched the AdWords advertising platform, which became the basis for revenue generation. In 2004, Googol held an IPO, its first public offering, which raised more than $23 billion. This gave a tremendous boost to further development, and many of the company's employees became millionaires. In 2006, the company bought YouTube, which strengthened its position in the online video industry. Further acquisitions and developments in mobile technology, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and autonomous cars underscore Googol's ambitions to create the technology of the future. As a result, apart from its search engine, the company has developed a wide range of products, including Gmail, Google Maps, YouTube, Android, Google Drive, and many others, covering all aspects of digital life. It is also investing in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and developing new technologies. The company also plans to replace its Android operating system with a new one, Google Fuchsia, which will be better suited to integrate artificial intelligence. Projects such as Google Brain and DeepMind are developing advanced machine learning algorithms, while Google X is working on revolutionary projects such as unmanned cars and flying cars. By the way, write in the comments what Google services you like to use the most. Google's move to become a subsidiary of Alphabet Incorporated in 2015 was a key and logical step in the evolution of this technology giant. This decisive move allowed Google to focus more clearly on its core activities, including search technology, advertising, cloud computing, and other products. Alphabet has become a broader corporate structure that includes various subsidiaries in areas such as healthcare, Verily, self-driving car technology, Waymo, smart devices, Nest, financial services, Google Pay, and more. The move also provided a more flexible governance structure and capital allocation, allowing Alphabet to invest in new and promising areas with greater speed and efficiency. And of course, investors didn't leave it without attention, as they did throughout all stages of the company's development. Google's latest financial report was quite good. Earnings per share came in at $1.89 compared to $1.64 last quarter. Google also dramatically increased capital spending to $12 billion, investing in infrastructure and AI, hinting at its industry-leading ambitions. Google also announced a $0.20 dividend for the first time in its history and will continue to pay dividends going forward. The company also announced a $70 million buyback program, all of which led to a surge in the company's share price. Google remains a major driver of innovation in the world of technology, having made an incredible journey from 40 employees in 1999 to over 1 million servers and processing over 1 billion search queries daily today. Investing in Google represents an opportunity to be part of the future of technology and the changing world. You can invest in CFD on Google stocks and other major global companies with Strifor Broker. We work with clients through the MetaTrader 5 trading platform from MetaQuotes, which allows not only to quickly conclude transactions, but also to analyze price movements in detail. Strifor also regularly offers lucrative promotions, additional deposit amounts, and interest on the balance, where you can receive active income of up to 18% of the amount on the balance. Join Strifor, we always pay.